In the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful, my dear students, Assalamu Alaikum. I am here to teach you English, unit number 12, lesson number 3, and the lesson name is Four Scientists Talk About the Future. So take out page number 62. First of all, before starting this lesson, I would like to give you a brief introduction about the lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about the changes in human's life in future. The futurologist giving us knowledge and information that what changes will be done in human's life in future. Beta, here I use term futurologist. So first of all, I would like to tell you who is futurologist. Futurologist, a person who practices futurology. Now, what is futurology? Futurology actually it is a study or prediction about human's life in future. It's called futurology. Futurologists say that one day there will be a settlement on the moon. As you know that beta, in past you have listened many stories about the person who about an old lady lived on space, lived on moon. So the scientists said many humans in the space, but nowadays this traveling is very difficult because a spacecraft was damaged as it reached the Mars. So the scientists plan to design such spacecraft which is unmanned. Unmanned means there is no need of anyone to operate this spacecraft. So in these days, almost spacecraft is unmanned. The SETI@Home projects link 1 million people. They use their home computer to search through radio telescope data from space. And further, they plan to search for human lives on space. And they plan to go on searching for signal from space. And for this purpose, they will use radio telescope to receive data from space. So through this radio telescope, they will get data from space. In this lesson, they further said about the way of living of human mass in future. That is which type of horses and which type of cars and which type of way of living in future. They plan to design smaller cars. Beta, as you know that you also facing whenever you go anywhere the parking issue because of the shortage of space. So there is no much more space to park their car. And we know that the cars are big in size. So the scientists plan to design smaller cars. And these cars electrically powered and carry only 2 persons. And electric motors on the wheel. And it can rotate at 360 degree. So you can go forward and sideways on this car. The size of this car look like you have seen different shopping cart outside the shopping malls. The size of this car like that shopping cart. And further, the futurologists and the scientists decided to design a small and smarter house because of the shortage of space. The house will be very short and you will use sofa bed Whenever you want to sleep, you will use this sofa bed as a bed, and whenever you want to sit, you can use this sofa bed for the sitting purpose. Now, if you are the sick, a chip under your skin, it will give you proper dose of medicine at night. So beta, no need of nurse or any sister for giving you medicine. So this is the advancement of technology. Fridge computer. There will be use of fridge computer. So what is fridge computer? Fridge computer warn you which food is going to spoil or bad, and it will also help you to buy new food. When will you buy new food? Okay beta. So with the help of this fridge computer, you can do these things. About climate, futurologists said that the world climate is changed as a result of the climate of the world will be changed, and why it will be changed? As a result of global warming. But no one knows about how long time it will be happen and how big it will be happen. But no one knows it, and the climate will have no effect before 2050. The futurologists further said, in future decade, we must slow down the increase in the temperature, world's temperature. So you have learned about what type of changes we are going to see in future through this lesson. The lesson is ended here. I hope you got much more knowledge about the future life of humans. Okay beta, the lesson is ended here. Now, my dear students, let's move towards exercises. The first exercise at page number 63, question number 3. In this exercise beta, there are 6 sentences. There are 6 statements. You have to write at the end of each sentence which one is right or which one is wrong. That is, if sentence is true, so you have to write true, and if sentence is wrong, so you have to write false. Okay beta, let's move towards next exercise on the same page, that is page number 63. Question number 4. Question is, complete the sentences. In this exercise beta, there are 8 sentences and you have to complete these sentences. The first letter of these words which you will use for the completion of this sentence is given. I hope you understood this exercise. These 2 exercises you have to do in your text copy, and the vocabulary meanings are also given in PDF. You have to write down the meaning of these vocabularies in your text copy. Let's move towards the next exercise. For next exercise, look at page number 64, question number 4. Question is, circle the best answer. There are 8 sentences and 2 options are given here. You have to circle the correct or the best verbs, that is verb, was or were given here. Which one is best for this sentence? You have to circle it. Now the explanation of each and every exercises are done here, and you can do this work in your language copy. The answers of these exercises are given in PDF. I hope students, you have noted each and everything. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.